Today, I'll show you how to make negiyaki, Japanese carry-on pancakes.
こんにちは、I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook.
When you think of iconic dishes from Osaka, you might instantly think of Okonomiyaki or Takoyaki. But today, let me show you another savory delight that's not well known outside of Japan. But it should be negiyaki. Negiyaki can be made easily at home using just a frying pan, and it takes only 20 minutes. My best friend Yukako in Osaka taught me the secrets to making these pancakes crisp, light, and fluffy.
Find more cooking tips on the website and look for the link in the description box below. Now let's get started.
This recipe yields 2 delicious negiyaki pancakes. Grind half cup katsuobushi into powder using mortar and pestle. Next, trim the ends of your scallions and thinly slice them into rounds. Put the chopped scallions into a large bowl. Then add a half cup of all-purpose flour. Toss with a spoon to coat the scallions in the flour. Do not overmix. Add half teaspoon of baking powder. 4 tablespoons of tenkasu or tempura scraps. 2 eggs. 2 teaspoons of katsuobushi powder. Half teaspoon of soy sauce. And 1/3 cup of water. Mix with a spoon until just combined. Again, be careful not to overmix. Use the spoon to divide the butter in half in the bowl. In this video, I'll show you how to cook one pancake at a time, but ideally, you want to cook both pancakes at once for the best result. The key is to cook the butter as soon as you mix it. Heat your pan over medium. Once it's hot, add a splash of oil. When the oil shimmers, spoon in half the butter, spread it into the round shape about 5 to 6 inches across. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of katsuobushi powder on top. Then layer on 4 slices of pork belly. Cook uncovered on medium heat for 2 minutes. Now, using 2 spatulas, gently flip the pancakes. Press down lightly to maintain the perfect round shape. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pan with a lid, and cook for 4 minutes. Uncover the lid and flip again. Increase the heat back to medium and cook uncovered for additional minute. Transfer to a plate, pork belly side up. What's different from the typical okonomiyaki is that negiyaki is often brushed with soy sauce. If you like, you can add a touch of Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise for extra creaminess. Personally, I enjoy my negiyaki drizzle with okonomi sauce. Use a spoon to spread the sauce and create a lovely zigzag pattern with the Kewpie mayonnaise. Yes, this time was a success. Enjoy!
Itadakimasu!
I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!